binaka the Messi and binaka atu.
Ada binaka.
What did you call Vale? Tabale in Baturova?
Tabale.
You have another name for Tabale? Huh? You another short form or
another name for Tabale in
second Vale. Yeah, false. Yeah.
Again, false. Fee.
Oi.
Fee or we call each other Lewe.
Oh, Lewe.
Rabi Lewe. Rabi Lewe means Tabale too.
Oh, no, mandeva menempurkan tamuna taluba.
Taluba ori na Zulu.
Good morning to each and everyone tuning in the bus, like was in the taxi, the minivan, and to all tuning in the live stream for VTFM in this wonderful morning.
Right.
Not forgetting all the tuning in Facebook page, live in this morning. Thank you very much for
participating. Your ears is participating to the whole world. President Kofilen family. Sama bulan boleh menaka to Pramendra Singh, Apro Sambole and the family. Thank you very much. Nikeri Natali Dinar Kumar, and also to Jess Tunakula. Thank you very much.
Benar we kemana nangani buli na budi kena baru tinggi na we kami beli kemni to all the rugby players
Yes.
And on the all grades from the under 14 to the under 19 who have been through to the national quarterfinal of the Dean's Competition 2025. We say all the best. We kemni rongone ningyut sarva benaka ningyut sarva kau nibelo mani lomani rara na discipline maintain chunga and doa na mundu nelawa lomani rara rangone
Ka.
O referee tahun o referee tahun dua ana itu mimbi kan tanah matang di pinggir di kuah mimbi ni muni marutak enjoy your game tomorrow
chana ni koro from orang awu from British Columbia. Did you know British Columbia? Where is British Columbia?
British Columbia in I had the name.
You had the name.
I saw the country. I don't know the region.
All right. He is from British Columbia.
Yeah. By Canada.
Yeah. When you see some movie, there is someone taking something like this. British Columbia.
Yeah. You used to watch in the movie.
Yes. Bena bubal na tiana. Ve China ilange rengo. Irketa ngoni buli pambimbi tigo ngoni buli kalambu primary school chonne valengandi ke Merian Masutawa cha bani bila toni be chonne no nanda berti ni kona be terongi na no na kalasi. Good afternoon. And also sorry songo di Turanga Saint Gabriel Anglican Church ngo kenetone songo di Turanga ngo
munikoso
aya pambimbi tigo be lili ni songo be momo vili ke na lili ni machero tutu apimbambi tu especially tu so sabatehana wana kondakta ni ban lotu ni songo di Turanga na Saint Gabriel Church
wana
Kiora Semo toningo Wanganui. Wanganui my New Zealand.
Wanganui to na ilala de Obier to siapa mai New South Wales. And Omes.
Gori.
Akin crew na vale besar vitokani. And bagat nambi singa ni kuah.
Talembati alifeo roba tulemuka kei irtames Marcialo.
Right.
Atau sama mai temos suada na mataka binaka ni kuah. Apakah lagi atau siapa nu binaka lebih bi samu bitala. In staff for LTA Volelevo.
Di Besara.
And not forgetting Apisalome Owanga Nina Vunivalu from LTA Volelevo. Thank you very much for tuning in to all the staff members of the LTA in Volelevo and LTA all around the
country.
Country. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Nakero Tresa Island Resort and Spa. Good morning to you, Kinisimere Rokombose and the family and Nova Sewa. And everyone joining. You know what? I would like to say good morning to all the family members of us this morning. Some of us, we are looking forward to a song today. We are listening this morning. Some of us, we miss someone this morning. But we didn't see him back. We didn't see her back. We just see the photo. It reminds us of the few years of spending together as a family member. You remember, you see the dog, you see someone's favorite, you see upon, you see a tree, sana kaugori. Au na numiga saranggur na lewa basa. Mbule minakan to mbule minana lewa pasan to sema buli mai. Bang bulta to na korba to na butu. Na buat kete meni tasiri. Good morning to you and everybody joining this morning.
Okay, you were talking. You were saying something about the
Calendar.
the banana.
Yeah.
The family of the banana. How many types of banana? Can you explain to us?
From my perspective, from my views, there is a different kind of banana. They call a botanical family.
Right.
Same as Ndalo.
Yeah.
Okay, we will go to lead to Ndalo and we come to banana.
Right.
We name it Tero,
Yeah.
Ndalo,
but
they have a botanical family.
Yeah.
Tahu salah, Samoa bola-bola, Ndalo ni Tonga. Dapat tali? Malekandina. Urnibonu. Na
Dalubia.
Babailoa. Kaya matangali. They are different kind of Tero.
Yeah.
But banana too is a family.
Before moving to the banana, there's one Ndalo, one breed is the double trouble one.
Apa?
Double trouble.
Iyo, kana Ndalo pasonga.
Iyo.
That's happening on the Ndalo Romo. And one Ndalo is a Tabeuni. It's a black reddish.
Iyo.
Kaya sini lolo, biya kana babailoa. Babailoa lolo bakandua. But this one is a lolo biya lindamundamu na matana.
Yeah.
They only happen on the after if you plant Tero from Christmas.
Ada teman na bimbi no nakila na Ndalo.
You plant Tero from Christmas or
Christmas
you plant
or
for Christmas?
No, from Christmas. Niuti na nomute Ndalo may na ngoni baka na Ndalo na matanin Ndalo. From Christmas and New Year.
Yeah.
Oh,
if you harvest that Ndalo on October, you'll see them pasonga.
Oi.
Yeah. It is to happen on that time. And depending too on how you plant. Kaya ko te lomboira o te idaki. If you te lomboira, they'll sinile usar na matana. If you're looking for matana, te bondi. Te ang andala ningele. Don't look. Iyo, te bondi. Just a few centimeters nga to soil.
Don't go deep on the,
Don't go
just
deep.
on the surface. Okay.
So that you can carry plenty ice. Ligo na matana.
Right, okay. Kaya ko pa ka Ndalo sige study mo tingubo ano ba na kana technique. Pero boleh besar Dems. Okay, tell us about banana.
Banana, there is a big banana. The small banana, I will name the banana according to our dialect.
No, the outs pa lang idale.
Okay, the banana is a lingani marama. The hands of the women.
Right.
Whoa.
That's a small one.
Small one.
Yeah. And another one is a pata. Pata. Pata is like karantong ngunyang gona because they color.
Oi.
Yeah, where do ka kada nang saran rukina.
Sandina.
That's a pata. And another one is the vanisi.
Oi.
The Venice. Different from lingani marama. This one small. Peck.
Oi.
Gamure?
No, gamure. Wait, gamure is another one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oi.
Another one. And that's a vanisi.
Yeah.
Venice, yung kaya pek, kalala ito buwan. Yeah, the Venice.
Yeah.
The Venice. It's different from the lingani marama. Lingani marama, they not like the normal banana. The normal banana, they like this, eh?
Yeah.
They, when they ripe, when sanrew, they just open themselves.
Oi.
They have the red one,
Yeah.
but they're very short.
Oi, okay.
And we got the China leka.
Right.
China leka is a small banana, small bunlalay, but they are short carry on.
Yeah. Short tempo one.
Tumbo naman taka knows it.
Yeah.
Tumbo naman taka
Carry on.
Yeah. And another one is what you call langamure.
Gamure.
Right.
Langamure, when you see langamure is ripening, don't ever go and ripa.
Oi.
Ilaban mo sa lebi, nakatsara mo sa kanino, sana numisan rew.
Yeah.
You roll. Pakantanda, mo roll taka.
Oi.
Roll. If you take it on that time, you can cause stomachache.
Stomachache.
Yeah. That's it. And another one is a wundi.
Right. Okay. How many types of wundi?
There are two types of wundi.
Right.
One is a normal wundi, the black one, and the long one.
Yeah.
Another one is short one.
Yeah.
When you cut inside, it's black.
Oh.
Pagka may bawa ka na tunalo, mabaka to sila po ni mahogany, ratola to. Kila, you know? Iyo.
So if one tree can give you how many wundi?
The wundi is a plant.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
The new kuya na
Plant.
When it comes the somba,
Yeah.
the somba is the one that is not yet
Where the fruits will come on. Yeah.
nandun ay cow.
Yeah.
Na cow bundi.
Right.
When the cow bundi is there, the one on the side,
Yeah.
like 5, 6, 7,
Yeah.
that's the iveta.
Yeah. Right.
That's what we call the iveta.
Yeah.
So you accounting from the iveta?
No, because the thing is,
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of type of wundi.
Yeah.
Oi.
Some.
Okay, your turn now. Your
Right,
turn.
come.
Not only two.
Yeah.
Because I plant one wundi at home,
Go wrong with that.
back in the village.
Oh.
You know, one wundi tree
Yeah.
will give you 200 or 300.
Oh, the Sulini bundi. The baby bundi.
Not the Sulani wundi.
The bananas.
Not the
The fruit.
The fruit.
Chechi.
I'm not liar.
I'm not true.
Yeah.
Come,
I'm not
come,
lying.
Yeah.
come.
I'm not lying. But this wundi,
Yeah.
if it's you can bring it.
Yeah.
You can put it home monthly. You
Sir.
can bring, you can take it, you bring it, you put it home in monthly. If you cook it
Yeah.
with the skin,
Yeah.
you can keep it home 2 days or 3 days. You can still eat it.
Sa, mama tapi nak kenal.
Yeah, it's very, very.
Is it sweet?
That wundi is a long wundi or the short wundi?
No, it's like a big
Lingan ni
cloth.
marama?
Yeah.
Not Leni Marama,
Vanisi?
not Vanishi. This one gives you 250 to 300 fruit.
Eh, sa angko sa bundi
true.
bilang ada bisnis ko.
Iya.
Eh?
I take it. If somewhere else, you plant it, it's not.
Oh.
Maybe it's not can't grow.
Oi.
But I'm telling the truth.
Oh, is listening Joe Wuto, lewa wundi.
Oh,
Yeah.
Joe Woodrow.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Leo Bunti, for tuning in.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's
Hey, it's very...
did you know the name?
I didn't know the name.
Sudo bakan dua undol bakadala.
See,
Iya.
when it's like starting to, the fruit starting to grow,
Yeah.
small,
Yeah.
you have to put lot of
Tatara.
stick there, yeah.
Oh,
tatara.
batarambi.
Because of
Brace.
the because of the
Oi.
See, Ratau, this one,
Yeah.
if you cook it for the skin,
Iya.
take it 2 days, 3 days, you leave it in the pot,
Iya.
it will never, ever
Go bed.
go bad.
Yeah.
Mana now?
If it's ripe,
Iya.
Yeah.
if it's ripe, if you cook it,
Iya.
the fruit will never soft.
Oi, kuku tu nga.
It's still the hard.
Ah, dem semua ba?
Yeah, that's true.
Alright.
Another one.
Ay, usar nga ya?
And we saw to the grandfather
Yeah.
when they're ripening the banana.
Yeah.
They never cut it or put into the meumbe.
Yeah.
They just together with all the everything.
Iya.
They just upside down the banana.
Ayan din sir.
Upside down. Kona ba may dake? Nililitu they like this.
Iya.
But when they coming to ripening, buki.
Iya.
And I ask, why you buki the sombu?
Iya.
And tie the small one on top, the bigger one come down.
Iya.
So that the liquid,
Iya.
kung kenan rani chay na kung umusukina,
Iya.
the more go outside, the faster the riper.
Oh, so that's why.
Iya. Nindaw level lang
That's
tanan
why.
rani chay na natutulog kinakanan rin na chay.
Abi kimura kan dari talo ni China laga kaya nanon outs palang iso na matang okay. Ocho sekali taro ko, bagalan nga. Kurang na minutes weekend.
May.
Why is Fijian Mbombo the best Mbombo in the world?
Because this one is the main bomb.
Again.
Binamale Bundes and Vinod Patel.
Eta ben totale. Di mo sa trivio ka, di lang di ko na. Bien, tara network ko sa bulan ka sana.
Isa, to the under 16,
Iya.
under 16 in London ni.
Dong bola tumpu na
Thank you
mataka.
very much. Tumpu na mataka to the family. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Muhammad Sadiq kan Ali amay nahinga toka. Boleh benaka. Nandal nito nga mete bonti. Sandina.
Ha?
Nandal nito nga mete bonti.
Okay,
Oi.
see.
Chone koro itu kunay balo. Hey, andra benaka saku borwanga.
Have you seen
Tabali.
that kind of food in
No,
your
no,
place?
no, no, no.
Okay, I'll call my dad and
But
ask
I've seen it on Facebook and on YouTube.
Why sina rusa? Male bale
This kind of
Australia.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
okay, set. I'll call my dad and ask what's the name of that wundi.
Here.
Number
But how
na
come
ko.
it doesn't grow anywhere else in
St.
Fiji?
Peter's Catholic Church.
I don't
Nadong
know.
siya
No,
na-
maybe it can grow.
Okay.
Kanambiri.
Maybe it can grow.
Yeah.
One day I'll go to the village and bring it.
Iyo, man.
Lini yung
I'll
gila.
bring one small
One
one.
small sulina.
Amelia,
Sulina.
Evia,
Right.
Queen, and
From the
Susan.
village.
Iyo.
Set.
Ginturan rupo itu kur sa tala bosana.
Oh, it's different.
Iya.
LT2 3286.
Okay, set.
Ilami. Taxi. British
Nice one,
Columbia.
nice one.
In the heart of Motorica Island.
Nice one.
Para masih di andra bina katabale. Andra bina ka diku ngo ko mateni me ko ngem butukin no mo mo nta futu matari katum.
Oh, Parama. Ay.
Para masih. Go ko.
Go bobo dabo ka ba imdraw.
Lo manimba si way loku be Silvano Valesili.
Ada bina ka?
Iskili ba ding.
Wingay Vegas.
Jeroni tambuang ko turangan ni Namos. Andra bina na kangu bina boleh besar.
Male ya saw, na to saw.
Na bite sa tabale ngo, wani ni bina ben garab tabale. Sartu ngalili na becina di wato to mai mo mai garabi. Mba, se bakawa nandali ndombula taibon ke wangka.
Andra.
Ya. Po saya baru buat tali tu ni kuai. Tamai paningo libo. Waikiti.
Sibo.
Tamai ban.
Sibo.
Tamai ban nga mai Australia.
Iyo.
Tamai waikiti.
Iyo.
Naturangan ni muani.
Iyo.
Na teba kandabu.
Bore sa mga
Bula binaka kay nongo. Ko sambulan bula binaka uso. Choritani. Anda 16 ni matabelo. Do bula binaka bani ni binaka bekim ni kan. O matabelo ya odi.
Ba.
Orta naman bulim ba pro. Ay. Sempa metodist.
Yeah, Methodist.
Iyo, oh tabale ben rakari tambo orto may rambingo. O tabale mbeni. Ani binaka bale, ani binaka rabu ben karabi sampai sibetu no molen daw.
Okay, ito sa namay dami kaya naman takabina ni Kuwa.
Ngol lita sa tungo ko ando na soko ni aerobics.
Zadin.
O tabale mbeni, what ibad?
Oi.
Iya.
Yeah.
Right. Hamar like it hot, saya.
Dono.
Talaga na sini ko na tokani.
Kurumundo ko.